Tomorrow, SANDAG's board of directors will vote on the most expensive transportation project in human history.
That's how County Supervisor Jim Desmond started his news conference opposing the SANDAG Regional Transportation Plan. It's not the most expensive in human history, but at $163 billion over 30 years, it's $33 billion more than the last plan.
And they plan on paying for it by taxing people out of their cars and into buses and trains.
The plan includes a 2% per mile road tax to help fund public transportation. Desmond says that's unfair to people in his North County district and the rural East County.
It's naive to think that the communities that depend on roads in North and East County, Fallbrook, Alpine, Santee, Valley Center, Julian, could be effectively served by mass transit. Yet every one of those people in those communities are going to be paying for the tax.
Last week, 3 Democratic members of the SANDAG board came out in opposition to that part of the plan. El Cajon Mayor Bill Wells says the plan that focuses on expanding public transit won't serve his community and will benefit very few because only 3% of San Diegans use public transportation.
And this is for a transportation system that nobody uses. Right now, currently, if you look at buses and trolleys, they're completely empty. If you want to be safe and have good social distancing from COVID, sit on a bus or a trolley because you'll be alone there.
Oceanside City Council member Christopher Rodriguez says people in his district ultimately won't be able to abandon their cars.
And these are hardworking blue-collar families that will be neglected because these roadways that they depend on will not be widened, and they're going to attempt to force these families into buses, into trains, and that is not realistic for North County.
Bottom line, these leaders say they want a more realistic plan that uses technology to reduce emissions, is more inclusive and less expensive.
We've got to step up and say, no, this can't happen.
Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.